Okay, this is the next part. We will introduce you the example programming 2.3, compute average.py. So this example is on your textbook, page 35. So what are we going to discuss? First of all, example program 2.3 reads multiple input. Yes, there will be more than one input from the keyboard. Okay, so the user maybe input more than one value. How can we handle it? And in Python. So this program reads 3 integers and display their average values. So here, numbers 1, EVL input, enter the first number, second number, and the third number. And then we will do the average because we want to get the average from the user's input 3 value. So it will have the parentheses here for the 3 number and divided 3. So finally, we will print the average of number 1, 2, 3 is average. So the outcome could be like this. Enter first number, yes. Second number, third number, then we will have average. So this is our demonstration. First, we will have a number 1. Of course, you can type number 1, but I like to type N1. And it could be EVL. So this part I type this just in reminding you, we have to do the parentheses first. Otherwise, you students always forget. Because you type it as English something, then you will forget the other part of the parentheses. So I strongly recommend, as you are really want to become a programmer, please do the parentheses first, then input and put what you want inside. Of course, input also is a parentheses function. And we will remind the user, use a double quotation here. Of course, double quotation, not first quotation because you will see it's like green color. It's just a reminder you have to use the double quotation. Okay, so here, please enter the first number. Yeah, first number. Then as a programmer, we like to, you will see my circle is changed a lot very first, and I do not use the mouse. How can I do that? You can see, take a look on your screen, your keyboard, your keyboard. You have up, down, left, right. But you also can find a key called home. Home means when you press home, the circle will back to the first line, the first place. If you press the END key, just lower, just the part position is down of the home key. Then you will find that the circle become to the end. So programmers do not like to use the mouse. So we almost try to use all the keyboard quickly, faster key to help us do all the things, including the F5 is save and execute the program. So we want to have 3. And if you want to copy, you can do that. Press the shift and down. Together, it will copy all the line. So I copy 1, then I passed. One more time, shift, and I pressed down. It's too much, right? And then I press the left. You will back to the end of this line. And I press the Control plus C. Control plus C is copy. Then I press the end. So the circle now is here. Then I also press the enter. So the circle become to here. Then I copy it. I just use the home and change the places, which is more near what I want to express. Now I want to have the N2. So please remember, the capitalized N is different from the lower size N. Okay, I will press the third one. And of course, you have to change the input. Here, this is the second number and the third number. Third number. And then we do the average. Average, we have to sum up N1 plus N2 plus N3 and divided 3 is average. Then we print it just like our textbook. And we told that, yeah, the average of, come on, N1, yes, I need also comma here, and I copy that. And press Control plus C to copy and paste. Second and third. So what is the differences? Actually, it is really common. It's really common, and we need another comma because it's a space comma. So if you use the double quotation, this will be the string comma. It will print it and show it. If you do not use the double quotation, here is just a connect comma. Connect comma, the string and the variable, and it will show the spaces, just we mentioned in the unit 1. Okay, and make sure everything's fine. Oh, this part, string and the variable, we also need the comma here. And now, the average of N1, N2, N3 equal or is, you can pick what you want, average. So now you have to learn what do you want between the variable and the string. Now we will get the answer, educate it. Okay, today it will be the second part, we call that compute average. Compute average. Yeah. First number 1, 2, 3, and we will get the answer is 2.0. If you want to remove the 0, please use the int function. So I leave the time to you to practice for this part.